Spinning reels were once burdened by constant line twist and clunky drag systems, but the modern wave of open-face reels obliterates those old limits entirely. Even at an affordable price, you can now wield a multi-bearing precision weapon designed to conquer the most furious game fish. They're also offered in more sizes and price tiers than ever before. Whether you're guiding a young explorer into the great outdoors or preparing to battle record-breaking titans, there's a spinning reel forged for your mission. In recent years, anglers have thrived from a surge of innovation in this arena, which now features both legendary manufacturers and bold new challengers, each presenting their own vision of the ultimate spinning reel. Fortunately, Legit Pick has your back. We've assembled the top 6 spinning reels along with their defining advantages, plus the crucial factors you need to understand to help you choose the perfect one for your adventures. Links to all products featured in the video are in the description below. You can also find a more detailed Number 6. KastKing Sharky 3 Fishing Reel. This next reel was crafted for warriors on a tight budget. Notwithstanding its affordability, it's an impressive reel that delivers everything you need for bass fishing. Right off the bat, you'll notice its drag system is absolutely off the charts. You definitely won't ever worry about lacking stopping power. The max drag weight is strong enough to handle even monster fishes far bigger than bass. Another feature that immediately caught my eye was the number of ball bearings. It's incredibly rare to see 10+1 bearings, and finding that in a reel at this price is downright unbelievable. Still, the smoothness wasn't quite what you'd expect for 10 actual bearings, and 1 roller bearing, feeling more like 6+1 instead. This is likely due to the bearings being of lower quality. Even so, considering that 5+ bearings is enough for smooth performance, I was more than satisfied with its fluidity at such a price. It's also worth noting that the ball bearings are shielded from sand and water, so they'll help prevent debris from entering the bearing system. Although not fully protected, weight-wise, it's average, neither too heavy nor too light. The durability, however, tells another story. It's not hard to see why the price is so low. The components are of lower quality than those found in other reels for bass fishing, especially the higher-end options, so you'll need more maintenance to keep it functioning at peak performance. Other than that though, it doesn't really have any major cons. I'd say it's a true bargain for starting bass fishing at this price. Sure, you'll be spending a bit more time cleaning it, but if you're on a tight budget and searching for the best spinning reel you can grab at a steal, look no further. Number 5. Penn Slammer III Spinning Fishing Reel. The Penn Slammer 3 is a serious spin reel. It looks unmistakably Penn with its muscle-bound profile, black finish with gold highlights, and a heavier, battle-ready feel. Having said that, this slammer carries a sleek design worthy of the Penn legacy. It's a rugged, unyielding reel built to endure a remarkable level of punishment from even the least careful angler. Its capacity for conquering a larger class of fish is perhaps its greatest strength. If you could own only one reel, a smaller mid-size Slammer 3 would still cover a massive range of applications. You'd gain access to an impressively large class of fish without wielding unnecessary overkill for the smaller ones. The Slammer 3 is the go-to reel for the average angler who loves the chase, demands quality and longevity, but doesn't want to juggle a huge arsenal of application-specific reels. It's brilliant for big fish. For example, the 3500 with 30 pounds of drag would dominate the lion's share of inshore applications, and I'd be happy as Larry casting it at 20-pounders from the beach. The Slammer punches far above its size and weight. Yes, it's a bit pricey, but the pricing is honest. With just a modicum of care, your Slammer 3 will serve you through countless sessions on the water. Number 4. Lowe's Custom Inshore Speed Spin. Coastal anglers need a reel that can not only withstand and repel the brutal forces of saltwater, but also tame the ferocious fish that thrive within it. These white reels with bright blue accents and a slip-resistant black and blue wind grip knob are crafted to be both lightweight and incredibly strong. They feature aluminum frames and side plates, as well as speed gears with an aluminum pinion gear. The reel includes a flush and drain port, which means that whether you drop it in the drink or take a wave over the bow, there's a fast, simple way to clear everything out, an innovation saltwater anglers will absolutely appreciate. Saltwater anglers or anyone who battles powerful fish will benefit from the custom Inshore Speed Spin's carbon fiber drag system. The sealed drag generates up to 24 pounds of stopping force in the 4000 size, allowing you to put the brakes on small roosters and schoolie stripers. Number 3. Shimano Stradic FL. Shimano Stradic lineup is field tested and battle proven, and with multiple sizes available, the Stradic FL is always ready to excel in the water, no matter the conditions. Just when many anglers believed the Stradic series couldn't be pushed any further, Shimano elevated it to the next level without shifting the goalpost on price. This reel isn't inexpensive, but it could easily be mistaken for something far more premium while still staying in a mid-range price bracket. Shimano engineered a reel with incredibly tight tolerances. They don't loosen or weaken over time. If you take proper care of it, this reel will feel just as flawless 5 years from now. The larger models come equipped with Shimano's cross-carbon drag system, meaning even the most hard-charging fish can be subdued if you fight them with a modicum of caution. If you're ready to move up from bargain or mid-range options to something that will serve you for a lifetime through every challenge, this reel belongs on your short list. In any previous iteration, the Stradic would have been worth the price, but this model goes above and beyond the call of duty. It features a waterproof drag, a long stroke spool, and a one-piece bail. All of these elements scream durability, ensuring you never have to worry about it failing or underperforming at the worst possible moment. Number 2. Penn Battle 3 Spinning Fishing Reel. Introducing the winner of the iCast Best Saltwater Reel Award, the mighty Penn Battle 3 Spinning Reel. This reel rightfully earns its crown by standing strong in saltwater and offering an arsenal of sought-after features at a remarkably reasonable price. I'll begin with how it holds its own in harsh saltwater conditions. Neometal is one of the most robust materials, and with a full metal body and side plate, most of the Penn Battle 3 is forged from this sturdy armor. Next, the bearings are sealed, which may be a new term because up until now, you've mostly heard of shielded ball bearings. To put this into context, shielded bearings are like soldiers holding up shields. Those shields block some projectiles, but not everything. On the other hand, by fully sealing the bearings, you ensure that not even a speck of dust can break through. This is why the Penn Battle 3 can stay rust-free with ease, even when used for intense saltwater fishing. The next feature you'll appreciate is its gear ratio. For reel size 4000, it boasts a blazing 7.01 Farane. Seasoned anglers will immediately recognize the incredible retrieval speed. Reeling becomes fast, fluid, and effortless. It's also great that it includes line capacity rings, ensuring you always know exactly how much line remains. As for drag, you'll have 15 pounds of stopping power at reel size 4000. Now let's address its downsides. The size 1000 weighs 7.8 ounces, which leans toward the heavier side, and it doesn't have as many bearings as higher-end reels. However, its smoothness remains impressive because the bearings it does have are top-notch. All things considered, I'd say these drawbacks are minor and far from deal breakers. We selected this outstanding spinning reel for surf fishing for bass because its reel sizes go all the way up to 10,000. Most spinning reels don't even go past 4,000, and since you'll need at least a size 4000 reel for surf fishing, this is the reel you'll want if you're heading into the surf. Number 1. Daiwa BG Spinning Reel. Another worthy contender for the title of Best Surf Fishing Reel for Bass is the Daiwa BG Spinning Reel. It offers all the sizes you need for surf fishing, but at a far more economical price. A quick glance should tell you why the Daiwa BG Spinning Reel costs less. It has fewer bearings, it's noticeably heavier, and it delivers a slower retrieve. However, it carries the one thing that matters most, big reel sizes. And to be fair, the Daiwa BG Spinning Reel is still a very capable spinning reel, even if it doesn't quite match the powerhouse performance of the Battle 3. This modestly priced spinning reel is perfect for anglers who want to chase bass in the surf but don't have the budget for the Penn Battle 3. So that wraps up our list of the best spinning reels. We hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please leave a thumbs up as it's always greatly appreciated. Let us know in the comments down below which spinning reel you're going to choose. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you enjoyed it and it helped you in any way, give this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on future videos, subscribe to the channel. Hope to see you in the next one. Until next time, see you guys later.